Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Drive to enforce two-factor authentication, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the option labeled Manage Apps. Locate and click on Manage your Google account to continue. You will be redirected to your Google account settings page. On the left sidebar, find the Security option and click on it. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Here, you will find the two-step verification option. Click on Two-Step Verification to start the setup process. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security reasons. Once signed in, click the blue Get Started button. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your second verification step. You can select options like a text message, phone call, or the Google Authenticator app. After selecting your preferred method, enter the verification code sent to you. Click Verify to confirm that your second factor works correctly. Once verified, you will see a confirmation screen. Press the Turn On button to enable two-factor authentication for your Google account. Now, take a moment to review the backup options provided. These options will help you access your account if you lose access to your primary verification method. Consider adding backup codes or an alternative phone number. Once you have set up your backup options, your two-factor authentication is fully enabled. To finalize everything, navigate back to Google Drive. You are now protected with enhanced security through two-factor authentication. Always remember to log out of your account on shared or public devices. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Google Drive to enforce two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.